Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. I welcome you all for this special admission process counseling module. My dear students, I'm sure you know that ProTalent helps you by giving you regular updates on various admission process guidelines. Today we are going to discuss about SLAT 2021 Symbiosis Law Admission Test. Okay, in this video you are going to get complete information about this, you can say admission details, exam details, syllabus, okay, exam pattern. This is what you are going to get. So my dear students, I'm sure that you understand symbiosis is a very crucial examination. Okay, ठीक है दोस्तों, symbiosis law school पुणे, Noida, Hyderabad, and Nagpur. These are four important institutes. In these institutes, in each and every institute, you get BA, LLB, and BBA, LLB, two programs. Yes or no? So that gives you advantage of getting into a law college, studying law, and having your dream career. My dear students, Symbiosis is definitely a wonderful college. Okay, though it may be a little costlier, but I think it is at par with any. Some of you may be interested to develop a broader understanding. So if you look at the locations, they are very crucial. Okay, Nagpur is a very important location. Okay, why Nagpur is a very important location? Because in that region, okay, the, you can say, legal luminaries are there, including our, you can say, Chief Justice of India. Okay, the current Chief Justice of India. Okay, Hyderabad, Noida, and Pune. Okay, these are the kind of, you can say, institutes and programs are coming under this one entrance test. You have to appear for one entrance test, apply to whichever program you are interested in separately. You have to apply to this programs separately. Okay, and then individual program and individual college will have a separate process of personal interview. Okay, so what happens? You write SLAT with VAT. You don't only appear for the entrance test, but you also write written ability test. Okay, then those shortlisted student will go for interview. Individual college and individual program will check your VAT score, will check your PI score. Based on that, they will give you final selection. This is the process. I hope it is very clear. I'm sure when you know CLAT, in CLAT, you only appear for one entrance examination. Based on that, ranks are getting generated, and based on that, you get your college. Here, it is not based only on the entrance, but it is also dependent on your written ability test and PI. ठीक है, what is the weightage? ठीक है, I will tell you about that. First, let us understand what is this SLAT exam all about. SLAT exam will be conducted in a computer based mode. That means you have to go at one of the computer center. Generally, it is TCS ION का center होता है. Very near to go. Okay, ठीक है. And it is at morning 9:30 to 11:15 AM time में होगा. Total 75 questions, 75 marks, and you get 75 minutes. Okay, ठीक है. Which are the areas? One, general knowledge. Remember, this is not just current affair. General knowledge, which means you should know the capitals, currencies, head of the states. That is what you should know. You should also know some historical background in India, some international historical issues. You should know United Nations related complete issue, all those histories, their bodies, their agencies. That is what you should know. Okay, okay. You should know who are holding what kind of important positions in our country. Okay, so general knowledge will be broader. Okay, there will be issues related to environment, ecology. Okay, that will also be there. Reading comprehension, 15 questions. Okay, which is generally on an easy area. When we talk about analytical reasoning, it comprises of maths. Some of you when you see SLAT exam pattern, you feel elated and happy that look, there is no maths but it contains maths. ठीक है, how? In analytical reasoning. Okay, ठीक है, you get all maths based questions in this section. Legal reasoning, 15 questions. One unique area in symbiosis is many times they don't give you principles, they only give you facts and you have to give a judgment. Okay, so that becomes challenging. Okay, it may be challenging, you have to be reasonably be careful about. And logical reasoning, okay, which is all basic like blood relationship, direction sense test, coding decoding, series, analogies, those kind of questions will be there. Okay, so in 75 minutes getting 75 questions would be very easy and manageable. And then you get written ability test called VAT. For that you will get separate 30 minutes. Okay, I hope it is very clear. Is the exam pattern clear to you? Great. I will continue to provide you a lot of inputs about this exam, how to prepare, what to do, what not to do. But today, we are just trying to focus on the understanding about the paper. Okay, that is one. Okay. And what is the weightage? Okay. Your SLAT exam has a weightage of 50 marks out of 100, while your PI will have a weightage of 30 percentage, your VAT will have a weightage of 20 percentage. Okay, so in a way, you get, you can say, a lot of weightage on your PI and VAT. Once you get shortlisted, you should get good score to get here. दोस्तों ये समझना, ओके, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है. On an average, let me tell you, out of the 75, you can say, marks, shortlisting criteria, ठीक है, for BA program may be at some around 58 marks. ठीक है, I'm just giving you a rough number. Okay, ठीक है, okay, for BA program, for BBA program it is up to some around 52 के आजू बाजू. ठीक है, okay, there are some students who are able to score 68, okay, 70. That's the kind of score people are able to get. So if they are getting a good score, so let's say you are getting a score of 58, someone is getting a score of 68, ठीक है, तो उसका यहाँ पे weightage बहुत बड़ा है. Yes or no? So that means that guy will have a higher weightage here, and thereby if he is managing an average score here, ठीक है, still he will get admission into Pune. Okay, Pune is one of the top notch. Okay, number 2 पे आता है आपका नोएडा, नंबर 3 पे आता है आपका हैदराबाद, नंबर 4 नागपुर. इट इज यू कैन से ऑब्वियस क्योंकि नागपुर अभी नया नया बना है. ठीक है, हैदराबाद उससे काफी समय पहले का है. ठीक है, so I think that is how this scenario is. So 50% weightage for your SLAT exam, 30% for your PI, 20% for your VAT. So you must prepare well for VAT. Okay, this is crucial. Okay, what is the exam date? Exam date is on 27th of June. I'm sure you know your CLAT exam is on 13th of June. Your ALET exam is on 20th of June. And now your SLAT exam is on 27th of June. Okay, registration closes on 4th of June. Okay, which means it has already started. Okay, admit card will be available on 14th of June. Okay, entrance test result will be out on 8th of July. This is, you can say, out on 8th of July. Remember this. Post that your PI will take place. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, so my dear students, Symbiosis is one of the very important exam, very important, you can say, group of institutes. You must prepare well. ठीक है, you must appear for this. आपके पास, ठीक है, एक अच्छा ऑप्शन रहेगा to get into a good, you can say, law college. Okay, so this is a complete information. फॉर्म भरने का जो लिंक है that is already provided in this video का description में. Please go through that. It will give you complete information. In case you have any doubt, any query, free and ask us. Okay, great. All the best.